Well, we are in East Reading, we're on Auckland Road. Investors and first-time buyers love this area. We've got a 2-bedroom Victorian coming to market, and it's this beauty right here. There's lots to love about it. In fact, we're going to share 5 things that we love. Let's go. Number one, and the fact that the windows have been done within the last couple of years, so that's a massive big tick box, and the fuse board has been upgraded in the last 2 years as well. Come on in. Number 2 is the fact that the 2 living rooms and the 2 bedrooms are in really good order. Carpet's in good order, decoration as well, so there's not really much you need to do in these areas. Hey, guess what? The loft is primed for conversion. There's a skylight up there, the head height looks really quite good. So to get some stairs up there, obviously subject to planning approval, but it looks quite likely to create a snug games room or home office. So number 4 is the fact that this property comes with no onward chain, and all of the searches have been ordered up front. So this property is sale ready for those of you that want to move a little bit faster. So before I get into my next key feature, and there's no surprises, the bathroom definitely needs a refit. Kitchen's okay, but if you're here with your builders, maybe you do the kitchen at the same time. And number 5 is the location. Just a few minutes walk away, you are at Wokingham Road Parade of Shops. That is on the number 17 bus route that takes you directly into Reading Town Centre. And just about a 10-minute walk away, you arrive at Palmer Park, beautiful green space to enjoy, and you have the Palmer Park Leisure Centre as well. If you love what you see and you think this is the one for you, do get in touch with the team quickly at the office, and we can't wait to meet you here. Take care.